aeroplane is so big.
Yes, children. The aeroplane is made very big so that many people can travel in it at one time.
Who flies it?
Two pilots fly the aeroplane. The aeroplane has two large wings, just like birds. These two wings help the aeroplane to fly. Look there. Children, the aeroplane has landed.
Children, the place where aeroplanes land and take off is called an airport.
Wow! There are so many aeroplanes here.
Yes, many aeroplanes from all over the world land and take off from this airport. See, children, some aeroplanes have landed and some are ready to take off.
So aeroplanes are used for traveling long distance in short time.
Correct.